We have very heavy snow this morning. The precipitation or the pile depth is about 1 foot or 30 centimeters. It freezes everything. The roads are almost impassable. The road condition is black across the USFK installations. And it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I have a half day off this morning, so I'm just heading back home on foot as usual. Rain or shine, rain, snow or shine. So I'm going back home, almost a halfway point. But we have very blizzard situation. It's 1 foot. It's very rare downfall. We usually have like 10 centimeters. So this is quite an abnormal situation. We used to 3 days ago we have a precipitation of 10 centimeters. So the aggregated pile is about 40 centimeters so far. That's about 2 centimeters in the rain precipitation. So the snow gets fluffed. It's about 5% of the snow precipitation translates into rain. So even though we have a very thick blanket of snow, the precipitation is only about 2 centimeters so far. We have a winter drought, so these 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters of snow will help a little bit alleviate the drought situation. So we have these will help people, and we have an apartment complex. My friend is working there as a senior assistant. She helps the elderly and the physically handicapped people on a daily basis, on remuneration, of course, remuneration. So this is, I'm cutting corners to get to my home so fast. My commute is about 15 minutes on a normal day, but since we have heavy snow, I believe it is almost 70 minutes today. So I walked about 50 minutes already now, or 50 minutes. So 20 minutes to go, or 15 minutes to go. And we have a very thick, heavy snow there. Many cars, they just stranded. People don't even think about driving one out onto the road. As you can see, some wind wipers are sticking into the sky because the drivers, they just avoid, they just let the windshield and wipers separate because they are afraid wipers would be stuck onto their shield and would not budge when they just start their car. Nowadays, that's not the case. Even though if you just clear snow off the windshield, the wipers would not, they would move. So don't worry, no problem. And wipers are cheap too. So as you can see, 30 centimeters or 40 centimeters pile up of snow. It's kind of a blizzard in Korea. Now the snow downfall a little bit subsided. A moment ago it was the vision was quite limited. Now it is almost normal.